What's up, Brian family? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so by the way, shout out to AJ629. Okay, okay, so what I'm saying, yeah, you see the title right. We're gonna be a SWAT in Brookhaven RP, man. Brookhaven RP. I'm shaking right now. Cause about if there's what if I join a server with so many caps that can be my team. Wait, why am I shaking? Why am I scared? That's better. And I gonna put down a sign saying I hiring SWATs in house. We don't know what number our house is. Bro, what the? What's that? No, 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 no. Dude, look at this. Look at that. Yeah. Dude, that's funny. Wait, let's see our speed. I wish we're fast. I wish we're fast. I wish we're fast. I wish we're fast. I wish. Oh yeah, we're fast. We're fast. No way. Let's go. We're fast. We're fast. We're fast. We're fast. We're fast. Okay. What number in? Okay. Let's come here. Let's get an house. Okay. Let's get an house. Normal one. Okay. Oh. Chill. Oh, I don't want to crash my SWAT car. This house. Okay, now let me in. This is my own house, so I can go in whenever I like. No way, I just did that. No way, I just did that. Okay, let's put our car in, cause we don't want anyone to steal our car, cause that would be bad. Okay, let's park our car. Okay, and do we have a SWAT? Nah, now we don't have a SWAT. Okay, so let's let's put signs down. Oh wait, why did I put my car in? Why did I put my car in if I gonna use my car? No way. Okay, let's just put signs. It's good. Oh, whoopsie. Okay, sorry. If you're watching this, sorry for crashing into your car. But don't pull out a gun. I'm a SWAT. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, oh, in house 17. Okay, let's go back to our house. Immediately. Okay. But why did I did that face? That face is so clean. I almost crashed. So I almost crashed again. Okay. Luckily we're going the right way. Okay, so let's open. We need to catch criminals. Okay. The criminals go at night, so wait. I'm thinking what I'm thinking. how about if somebody some attacks? Wait, let's get weapons. What am I doing? Wait. Let's get all the weapons. Good. And let's dish for backup. Get a phone for backup. I get this backup, and okay. Boom. Ooh. Okay. You know why I did that? Cause I said, so I jumped. Man, I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Oh yeah. Oh. And let's scroll. Boom. Ow. Not gonna lie that hurt. Okay, let's go to control. Let's go to control. Let's go to control. I said, let's go to control. Oh, I almost get. Oh, man. Wait, let's see if we can arrest someone. But it's gonna be hard because it's daylight. Oh no! Man! Oh no! I wish nobody saw that. You did not saw anything. Somebody's reading my. Oh yeah, somebody. Oh, they're reading. Oh, okay. Let's go back. They pointed at my. Okay. No. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's go here to here. No. Oh, not gonna lie, that's sick. That's kind of sick. Clutch up. How would if we clutch up? Ooh, see? Clutching up is empty. Look guys, I have good aim. Look. I'm a sniper. I'm gonna shoot this. Don't worry guys, this is unbreakable. This is bulletproof, okay? Look at this. Bro, I was so hard, but I still did it. Okay, let's go here. Go! Okay, let's do it again. Let's fight criminals. Or let's fight criminals. I wish we don't need to fight criminals. It's 4 p.m. in the morning. Shield. Okay, we need to follow the traffic rules. We need to follow the traffic rules. Because we're a SWAT. SWAT follow traffic rules. Oh, there's a kid crossing the road. the road, so... Oh, shall we speed? Okay. Whoa, we're fast. We're going so fast. We're going so fast. We're going so fast. We're going so... Wait. Oh, I have an idea. How about if we just... Hey. Oh, let's make a jump. Let's just jump. Oh, wait. The next one. The next jump. Let's jump in the next. Oh, now we're crashing through everything. No way, we're crashing. How about if we accidentally click this? What do this do? Somebody robbed the bank! I just do that. If somebody robbed the bank, I'll do this. Emergency! That I'm in a real chase that will let me just stay here. So what members? You know what? Let's put some SWAT. Let's put some SWAT, okay? So what? SWAT. We need that, of course. Of course we did that. And we need this also. And this. Yeah, look at my hair. It's not that good. But that hair is good on me. Change direction. We need SWAT just here. Now let's take that off. Good. Oh no, I got the baby. Oh no, OMG, I got the baby. Let me give this. Give it. Huh? But what? 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 Oh no, somebody. Wait. Where's my... What? Oh no, we need to take this baby home. We need to take this baby home. Oh wait, emergency lights. Nina. Oh, bro, no. Baby. Nah, that's illegal. That's illegal for sure. No, we're not doing that. Let's take off some of the guns. Because we have too many guns. And let's do this. Do that. What's up? Hands up. Hands up. Get out. hide. Do you have... Oh! I accidentally pressed. No. This is bad. No. Oh, money. Shelly, give me that money. Oh! We need to get this good. Get this bad boy. We need this bad boy. Oh! He got away! They left their door open. Let's go in! Oh! Wait, how about if we got banned? I just gonna ruin their house. Okay. Get out! You're going to jail, and that's done. They left the baby. They left the baby. That's illegal. And that's illegal. How are people doing? What's up? Hands up. 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 No, I accidentally shoot. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Good. Hands up. Get here. Come here. Now you're dumb. Come. Go here. Come. Get in the car. No, we someone. Okay. That kid's gonna stay in the house with handcuffs. Who am I going to win? Can it be? Yeah. Okay, let's just go to the She ran away. She got away. Okay. Now we're gonna shoot them. Now. We're gonna shoot them. Now. We're shooting them. Now we're shooting them. Wait. We're getting in a fight. That's why I give them a gun. Nino. You know what? Man. Yeah. Get out. Now you two. Shoot me. robot. She's a robot. Look at this. Robot. Hey. Robot. 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 Shot. Robot. Good aim is to the rescue. I'm to the rescue. Nobody will die. Ah! Oh! Hold on. Hold on. We need to go to the hill. Urgently. You need to help. No. She left the game. Oh no, that's illegal. That's illegal. Man, mom. Ow, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh no. I'm shooting right now. Huh? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Now this is all for today's video, guys. And if those two are watching this video, sorry guys. So I feel bad, so shout out for 3 of you.